covering an important story, but we could not, hide the fact that she's surrounded by those beautiful flowers and just
Lisa and I are matching today.
Yeah, just kind of really taking in the spring weather right now.
Yeah, I mean, we got to soak it up because all good things must come to an end. Yeah, so let's focus on the here and now, where the sunny skies are raining down overhead as our temperatures are climbing back up into the mid-70s at this point in time. And just look at all of the folks enjoying the Oregon coast out towards Seaside on this Tuesday afternoon. Spring break is well underway here in the Pacific Northwest as our temperatures are feeling very much so like the spring season, maybe even later into the spring season as those temperatures climb back up almost to 80 degrees. For Mill City, just the same for Hillsboro. Temperatures up and down the I-5 corridor still expected to climb over the next hour or two as temperatures are hovering right around the 60 or 70 degree mark along the coastline. Temperatures, of course, up several degrees. Pendleton by about 10 over the past 24 hours, just the same out towards Astoria as our skies are cloud free. But that will be changing as we prepare for our next storm system already developing out over the Pacific Ocean. It's this cluster of clouds. It's really going to be swinging its way into our area tomorrow afternoon and evening, and that will be increasing our severe weather threat. So a KOIN 6 weather alert, it does go into place for tomorrow afternoon. It's a slight risk now. That's a 2 out of 5 chance to see severe thunderstorms. Really is draped anywhere from about northern Douglas County all the way up to Seattle, and that's where a threat of hail, lightning, and gusty, potentially damaging winds is a very real concern, and we can't rule out the chance for maybe an isolated tornado or two to start to spin up. So what is a severe thunderstorm? Well, it either has to have winds of 58 miles per hour or greater or hail of about an inch in diameter or greater, but lightning, although we are expected to see an abundant amount of it tomorrow, is not actually considered severe. Although when thunder roars, you need to make sure that you head indoors, especially as we move our way into about the 3-4 o'clock afternoon hour. That's where we start to see those thunderstorms really intensify. I'm anticipating anywhere from about 4 to 6 o'clock in the evening, where we have the best chance to see severe thunderstorms throughout the Willamette Valley and parts of southwest Washington. It's going to pack a bit of a punch as far as that lightning potential goes. You can see really through Multnomah County, parts of Clark County, southwest Washington. Expected to see the brunt of the lightning happening again right around 4 o'clock. So if maybe the kiddos have baseball practice tomorrow, likely going to be canceled during the afternoon hours as we clear out those skies later in the evening. Now, with that tornado threat brings us to a good reminder of where we need to take shelter if we are placed under a tornado warning. An interior section of your house or a basement is going to be the best place away from windows and doors to stay safe in the threat of a tornado warning. So stay with us here on KOIN 6, where we will keep you up to date. Now, the ridge of high pressure that has brought us the warm weather today starts to slide its way off to the east. It's this trough of cool air. The tug of war, the battle between cold and warm air, is what is sparking that thunderstorm potential here in western Oregon and southwest Washington as cooler temperatures and wetter weather takes hold of the rest of the week, moving into Thursday and Friday. So here's our futurecast timed out. Tomorrow, we might actually be able to squeeze out a bit of sunshine for the early morning hours. Then the clouds, they start to march their way onshore. Temperatures still getting up on the warmer side. It will feel muggy out there as well, really providing a lot of energy for that thunderstorm activity to start to ramp up. That's where gusty, persistent winds will also be in effect. But by about sunset, that's when we start to see that severe thunderstorm potential decrease as we lose that daytime heating. Lingering into Thursday, still holding on to that scattered shower potential as temperatures then start to settle back into the upper 50s, low 60s. Rain accumulation nearing almost a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch, anywhere from the coastline to the I-5 corridor. So tonight, we stay dry, we increase that cloud coverage briefly, and our temperatures will fall back to about 50 degrees. Tomorrow, a KOIN 6 weather alert in place as we get back up to about 77 for our high. Those thunderstorms rapidly dropping those temperatures as we expect to hold on to the wet and windy weather going into Thursday, Friday. That's where we could potentially see some gusts near almost 30 miles per hour as temperatures fall back into the mid-50s. Slightly drier come Saturday into Sunday. Temperatures peaking right around the mid-60s for Sunday before the next batch of cooler and wetter weather returns for the start of next week. A very turbulent week ahead for us, and it all gets going tomorrow with that KOIN 6 weather alert, which means we all need to stay weather aware tomorrow.
All right. Well, it was nice when it lasted.
Yes.
2 days.
We still get a few more hours.
Yeah, it's still technically here.
Yeah.
Thanks, Josh.